Let's see what we got. Dude, look at this. This is crazy. It's from a microwave. A patty melt in the microwave. How? How? Look at that. Perfection. Yeah, what the heck? Gotta do something, right? Like, we've got to know. I put that on to hopefully douse the flames a little. The edges are so perfect, and the cheese melted to the corners. So it's got that, like, Detroit pizza kind of crispy edge thing going on. I can't believe that I didn't have one of these my entire life. Kidding me? I will leave a link below. These things are selling quick. Good luck.